wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide.
Ezvid presents the 7 best tent cots. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 7, the sturdy tangkula folding with rainfly can help you relax in any type of weather. Its frame is made of durable aluminum and the material is a tough polyurethane. It sits 12 inches above the ground to keep you away from bugs and other nasty creatures. It comes with breathable mesh windows and accommodates 2 adults easily, but it could use better instructions. At number 6, humans aren't the only animals that like to stay warm and dry while sleeping outdoors. The heininger portable pet is the perfect elevated shelter for the 4-legged member of your camping party, providing a safe space for a dog or a cat to curl up when away from home. It's available in several sizes, all with a synthetic mesh floor. However, assembly can be difficult. Coming in at number 5 on our list, the winterial double is a good choice for a couple or for the kids. It can support up to 500 pounds and has ample room for 2 full-grown adults to stretch out in comfort above the potentially cold or wet ground. It's equipped with 4 mesh windows for visibility and airflow and a tubular aluminum frame, but it is heavier than many options. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for tent cots, or simply click beneath this video. At number 4, those who want to avoid a complicated or time-consuming setup will appreciate the Ozark Trail Instant. True to its name, it goes up in a flash, since all you have to do is unfold it and extend the poles. The rain cover takes some manipulating though. It sits over a foot off the ground and its sloped roof gives you some headroom. It sports eye-catching bright green accents. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the kamp-rite original isn't too bulky or heavy and you shouldn't need more than one person to set it up. The rainfly will keep you dry and secure, but on a nice night you can unzip the large openings at either end for airflow. It's available in 2 colors, both with interior storage pockets and corrosion-resistant zippers. At number 2, if you have your sights set on something luxurious rather than utilitarian, the Ozark Trail one-person may be the way to go. Unlike many, it's padded so you can rest comfortably, and it has an elevated gear platform to keep your stuff from getting wet or muddy. It boasts a 225-pound weight capacity along with a mesh bug curtain. It's good for tall users. And taking the top spot on our list, one of the most versatile selections, the kamp-rite oversize can also be used as a lounge chair or an open cot for sleeping under the stars. Longer and wider than their original model, its dome top creates ample space inside for sitting comfortably. It's made of heavy-duty nylon with a powder-coated aluminum frame and a carrying bag. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for tent cots, or simply click beneath this video.